Welcome back, winners. My name is Joey Winning, and today we're talking Maserati Grecale. Now, I want to remind you guys that we've been handling our customers' Maseratis for 20 years, backed by excellent service and experience. This is a very good-looking SUV, but it is missing tint, and we're going to change it up with 20% all around and 35% on the front windshield in nano ceramic film. This is going to block out the sun and all those UV rays by over 90%, which will come in handy with the summer heat. In this video, we're going to check out the Maserati Grecale inside and out. We're also going to cover a little bit of history and my opinion of the brand itself. Now let's jump right into it. Taking a look inside, we can see a multi-screen infotainment system with hand-stitched leather throughout the dashboard, doors, and the seating system. The large panorama roof is becoming the standard in most vehicles. The passenger seating is spacious with the same luxurious hand-stitched leather, and it looks as if the Grecale has caught the attention of Mike Winning. Moving on to the doors, you can see that this is a push of a button to exit the vehicle, which was confusing for only about a second before becoming a cool standout feature. Now, Maserati has gone through many ups and downs, but let's not take away from its lineage and where the company comes from. First of all, Maserati is over 100 years old and has developed some iconic cars like the MC12. No matter what the company has gone through,
you can't park there.
But in reality, Maserati history has been up and down.
We can't count out the facts that Maserati used to be powered by Ferrari engines, starting with the Maserati Coupe and subsequently the Maserati Spider in 2001. And despite Ferrari no longer providing engines for Maserati,
almost better than the Ferrari,
they are still pushing, especially with their new supercar, the MC20, which has a roaring V6 630 horsepower engine. Maserati has also gained some traction with a dedicated Formula E team. So let's not go canceling Maserati out just yet. Now let's watch the winning team prep this Maserati for its final look. If you like what we did to this Maserati Grecale today, don't hesitate to bring in that McLaren for some tints, or your other McLaren. We'll wrap your Range Rover, or even your S-Class. We can detail any vehicle, ceramic coat any vehicle, or powder coat any wheel, any color. So don't forget to hit the like button for more content on the way, so you too can be a part of the winning family. As always, my name is Joey Winning. Thank you for watching, and remember to always stay winning.